at Leo. I don't know what he's planning to do. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, Leo? Guys, I don't know what happened. Why he is like that. What happened? Why you're not moving? Huh? What? What are you planning? What kind of scheme is this? Huh? Do you want me to comb your hair? Huh? Okay, I will comb your hair. Okay? Ah, so you want to comb your hair. You look like Snowy also, huh? You guys. Come here. You want to comb your hair, right? Or you want to play? Okay, go, go, go. Ah, that's why you are waiting for me, because you want to play. This one is better. Yeah. Guys, you want me to play with him. That's why. Okay, let's play. Let's play for a minute. Da, 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 da. That's why so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. La 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 la, Leo. Ito pala better.